In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix Wi-Fi network not showing or missing in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, we need to proceed here at the start. Make a right click, scroll up and click on Device Manager. Here at the Device Manager, you need to proceed to the network adapter. So please wait until you'd be ready first before we continue. Once set, find for network adapters and there you can see forward arrow key. And here you need to find for wireless LAN card or your wireless adapter. So here along with it, you can see there a the option which is a yellow triangle, an icon rather, which is a yellow triangle. In my case, I don't have any because I have fixed it already. In fact, it has been shown already. My Wi-Fi network is being shown here at the taskbar. So in your case, if you haven't seen a yellow triangle here, which is an error, please make a right click and click on uninstall device. The moment you click on it, click on uninstall. Make sure that this box is unchecked, click on uninstall, and once done, you need to select that, make a right click, or either select your network adapter since it would be gone here for the meantime. Please go with network adapters, make a right click, and go with scan for hardware changes. In that moment, you would be able to check to fix the problem. Okay, so check if the problem has been fixed. I'm sure it'll be working this time. Okay. So that's it. Try to connect again to a specific Wi-Fi in your PC. In that way, you'll be able to fix the problem. So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.